Hi and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to delete a release. So if we go here to release, we will find this release that we just create in the previous video. So now if you want to delete this release unstable code or unstable code, so I need just to go and delete it. But if I delete this release, what will happen to this tag and all this code? The answer is nothing. It's just the release who will be deleted, but not the code and not the tag. So delete this release, and now your release was removed. So now I see that the tags are still the same, nothing changed. And now if I want to create another one, I just need to click on this three dot and create a new release. So this is all for this short video. See you soon.